Hey everyone, my name is Alara, and I'm here to help you learn English in a fun and easy way. On this channel, you'll find useful English phrases, vocabulary, grammar tips, and real-life conversations. Whether you're a beginner or already know some English, there's something here for you. I'll also share fun quizzes, pronunciation practice, and sometimes even daily English challenges. By watching my videos, you'll learn how to speak English more confidently and naturally. So make sure to subscribe and join me on this learning journey. Let's make English fun together.